All right, that is the opening bell this morning on Wall Street. Multi-specialty telehealth platform Hims and Hers Health celebrating 5 years of being on the market.
Let's get a check at the opening numbers on Wall Street. The Dow is just about 0.25% down. Joining us this morning to talk about it is Axios Markets for correspondent Emily Peck. Emily, always great to see you. So let's talk about what's happening geopolitically. As you know, the shipping along the Strait of Hormuz is basically ground to a halt. And this temporary U.S. and Iran ceasefire is expiring. What are you seeing as far as the oil markets, how they're reacting to all this?
It's actually pretty stunning in that the oil markets are relatively calm right now. Brent crude, the global benchmark, is sitting just below $90 a barrel, which is high if you're thinking about before the war started, but it's pretty low if you're thinking about what we saw back in February, March, April, when things first got going and prices were topping $100 a barrel. Yeah, they've ticked up a little bit this morning. As you're saying, the memorandum of understanding has expired, and there doesn't seem to be any kind of end in sight to what's going on. At the same time, the oil markets are sort of taking it on the chin, and prices are relatively calm. They're not too extreme at this point.
So a lot of people, doing some end of summer road trips in the next couple of weeks. Talk to us about prices at the pubs right now.
Yeah, that's not a great story, I'm here to say. Prices are not, you're not going to be happy if you're doing a long road trip right now. Prices of over $4 a gallon, I believe, on average. And, there are these pockets of really high inflation around oil. And, a barrel of crude might not be so extreme right now, but gas prices, like I said, over $4. And diesel prices, if you're relying on diesel as an input, this is more probably for the farmers who are getting ready to, harvest the crops right now, things like that. Those are at pretty striking highs because the price of refining all this oil has gone up quite a bit due to the war.
So what are also you expecting as far as this home sales report that's due out today? What are you thinking?
I mean, man, the real estate market, you guys, am I right? They cannot catch a break.
No.
Mortgage rates are going up.
It's shocking how bad people are.
It's shocking. Yeah, so many people, want to sell their homes that are kind of like sitting on it, waiting it out, hoping that mortgage rates are going to come back a little to drive up some demand. And that simply has not happened. The past few months, we've seen rates tick back up again. And people are feeling a lot of economic uncertainty and not really so excited about the idea of buying a house, this major decision you're making, you want to feel sort of comfortable in the economy. And I don't think anyone's feeling super comfortable right now.
All right, Emily Peck, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Emily.
Thank you.